right, guys, today we're gonna talk about stretching, foam rolling, and walking. Now, people have all sorts of pre and post-workout methods and routines and reasons for all of them, of course. But without taking anything away from those, I just wanna share something briefly about an easy 3 things you can do to make your workouts and daily routine more effective. Number 1, stretching. I'm not sure where this started, but when people see someone stretching pre-workout, they usually make some kind of joke. But honestly, stretching gives 5 huge benefits, and not just pre-workout. Stretching actually helps posture, it increases range of motion, it warms up joints and muscles and gets blood flowing, it helps prevent injuries, and can even decrease muscle soreness. Number 2, foam rolling. Something that many people forget about is foam rolling. Now, I'm going to get real technical for you guys. Ready? Foam rolling is amazing because it actually increases your myofascial release. Wait, what? I know, get ready. The superficial fascia is a soft tissue under your skin. It wraps up all your muscles, bones, nerves, and blood vessels. This fascia and muscles together is called the myofascial system. Slow, sustained pressure on this system softens and lengthens the fascia and breaks down scar tissue underneath the skin. It also is a form of stretching, so definitely try foam rolling. Your body will thank you. Trust me. Number 3, walking. Real quickly, I want to discuss how walking is actually similar to the topics we've discussed today. Now, as stretching and foam rolling is helping getting blood to the right areas and increasing range of motion and decreasing pain, walking does all of that and more. So, walking will also increase your cardio and your pulmonary fitness, which reduces the risk of heart disease and stroke and actually lowers your blood pressure. So, walk whenever you can. I hope you guys like this video, and just remember, the more we know, the more we grow. So let's grow, and I'll see you guys on the next video.